Well, it's getting to be that time again.
Time for our next channel meetup next month in November 15th in Destin, Florida.
Yes, fun.
Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple.
Live free. And we are heading to Florida within the next couple of days.
Yes.
And we will be down there for the meetup. And it will be November 15th, Henderson Beach State Park in Destin, Florida.
Yes.
We would love to see you there.
Yep.
Now, we have already announced this a couple times earlier in the year. I think we've got about 20 or 25 people who have already RSVP'd.
Wonderful.
We would like to see a lot more there.
Yeah.
We would like to see you there. So we'll tell you about it, all the details in a second. But if you would like to go, it's free.
Yeah.
And there's only a $6 entry fee per car to get into the state park that you'll have to pay. But if you're interested, like I said, it's free, but we need to know how many people are coming. So we are asking that you RSVP, and you can do that very easily by just texting Destin25, no spaces, just Destin25 to the number here on the screen, and nothing else. This is an autoresponder. It's a computer. Computers are dumb. If you put anything other than just Destin25, the computer won't recognize it.
Right.
So just do that, and then you'll automatically get a message back from us with more information about it.
Yeah, so, we'll be in touch again.
Yeah. So starts at 11 a.m.
Yep.
November 15th is a Saturday.
On the most beautiful beach. Yep. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's in Pavilion F, which is a pavilion right on the beach. So if you want to go swimming, you can do that. Though we haven't ever had anybody do that. Right. But you're going to be there all day. You're welcome to do that if you want.
Nice and close to the bathroom. It's just right there. It's very convenient.
So we will start with a potluck supper. It's a potluck lunch. So bring a dish. If you're traveling a long distance and it's too difficult to bring some food, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
There's always plenty of food there.
Yes.
But if you can bring a dish of any kind, we would really appreciate it.
We will be providing the silverware, plates, cups, napkins, all that kind of stuff. If you could bring at least enough drinks like for your family that we could kind of all share, that's really helpful to us. And please bring your own like serving, spoons and things like that, because I wouldn't know what to have there. Right. But we'll have regular knives, forks, and spoons, and napkins, and plates, and bowls, and cups. So, and we usually bring ice. We've usually got some ice. So, okay.
So we will start at 11 a.m. and then we will have the potluck lunch together, and then we can spend the whole afternoon as long as we want, just there together. Q&A. You can ask us anything you want about anything, and we're just looking forward to spending the afternoon with you.
Yeah, we just love getting to see, to see you like live and right there in person. It's just a great joy to get to know people.
And we've had several people now who have come to many of our meetups, and we're getting to know some of you. So we're excited about seeing you again. Yeah,
it's really cool. And it couldn't be a more beautiful spot.
Right.
There is like a campground there.
Yes, there is a campground at the state park, but quite honestly, I don't know whether they have any vacancies or not.
Things in Florida fill up.
But I will put the link to the state park website in the description down below. So if you want to check that out, you can do that.
And of course, there's just lots and lots of places to stay around there. So it's just part of the Emerald Coast there with the white sand and we're hoping that some people that had wanted to try to maybe camp there, checked into it when we very first mentioned this, because maybe be a little bit better of a chance. But just got to realize that camp stuff books up in Florida really, really fast.
So there you go. November 15th, 11 a.m., Henderson Beach State Park in Destin, Florida. We want to see you there. We want to meet you.
Yes.
And like I said, please RSVP by texting Destin25 to the number here on the screen. And we hope to see you there.
Yeah, it's Pavilion F, so it shouldn't be hard for people to find.
We'll give you all of those details in the response that we give back to your text.
Yeah. We've had people, text Destin, whatever, and then they go, can't wait to come and stuff like that. And then the computer goes, I don't know. So, yeah. So, we're looking forward to it. We're just excited to get to spend time with everybody. It's always so great. All right.
Okay, so see you there.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
Yes. Live simple.
Live free. You be blessed.
We do love you guys, and very excited to spend some time with anybody that can come.
All right.
So,
All
bye
right.
bye.